Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I'm gonna show you how to paint a tree with a black background. Of course, it's very easy. Anyone can do it, even if you are not a painter or have not experienced painting at all. You can do this. Okay, so painting trees are actually good for beginners. Okay, so these are the paints we're going to use. HBW Acrylic Paints I bought from Bandayan. You can also check the description box for the details. Okay, so those are the paints we're going to use: crimson and lemon yellow. What else? And then that one. Okay, and this brush, actually parang review na rin siya, no? Kasi binili ko sa Pandayan yung brush. Tingnan natin kung okay siyang gamitin. Okay, so first I'm just going to tap the colors on the canvas. Well, actually, kung white yung background niya, ang inuuna ka talaga yung branches niya, yung puno at saka yung branches, and then before the leaves. Pero ngayong black yung background, I want to try the leaves first. Okay, so yung color kanina is from darkest to lightest. Okay, so yan yung pinaka-base niya, or pinaka-base ng leaf na gagawin mo, or pinaka-base ng color ng leaf na gagawin mo. Okay, so you just tap it. Okay, so gagamitin mo yung imagination mo. Okay, so it's not a problem. It's your tree. You decide where the leaves are going to be placed. Okay, so that one, just tap it there and then just play along. Tap. Okay, so ini-adjust ko kasi yung speed niya ng konti. So that's it. Just tap your brush like that. So that's my way of making trees or painting trees. Okay, that one. It's not necessary to cover the entire canvas with leaves. So there are parts na meron siyang shadow, meron din parts na parang highlighted siya. Hindi kailangan pare-pareho yung kulay. Okay. So yung hindi pagkakapare-pareho ng kulay, it will create like a 3D effect on the painting. So you have to randomly tap the colors, but later sasabihin ko kung ano yung isa pang good point or mahalagang point when it comes to creating a 3D effect to make it more realistic, of course. Okay, so you just tap your brush like that. You just enjoy it and then explore with the colors you're using. But it's also important na to make it more realistic, you have to really blend the colors with the colors na talagang kasama niya. Well, you cannot mix green here kasi it's not a green tree. You know what I mean? Okay, just it's your tree. Again, it's your tree, so you decide what to do. Okay, just like that. So this time I'm using the yellow ochre. So that's it, from darkest color to the lightest one. Okay. Again, you don't have to spread the color in every area, or you don't have to spread it fairly on the canvas, because to make it more realistic you have to randomly put the colors to make or create a shadow effect and to make it more realistic. Like you're trying to imagine that this tree is taken from a camera flash, so it's nighttime, or look at that, is a dark background. So this tree is obviously your subject, so you have to own it. And this time you have to decide where the light source is. So pag dyan sa banda, you have to highlight some areas of the tree, some leaves. Okay, there you go. You have to highlight some leaves. Use the lighter color. Okay, so this time I'm using the lemon yellow. Okay, just have to highlight some leaves, not everything. Just have to highlight the leaves on the other side where the light is coming from. Okay. Okay, so you see it's like 3D. You're creating a shadow and a 3D effect. Okay. Okay, you can make the other side darker to emphasize the light source. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so that's it, but it's not yet done. Okay, so that's your tree. It's getting better, it's getting more detailed. So there you go, that's a tree. When painting, it's not necessary to finish your piece strictly in a day. You can always come back and look for missing details, or if you want to modify it or highlight it more, you can always come back and correct the errors, or to make it more beautiful. You can always come back, especially when you want to work with the highlight of your painting, because some paints, especially the ones that I'm using, na binibili ko lang dito sa Pilipinas, the texture of the paint, it's a little loose, parang may tubig siya. So eventually, kapag palagi kang nagpa-paint, malalaman mo din yun, and then may adjust mo. So start painting now, and it's really nice if you're going to start painting na ang subject mo ay trees. It's nature kasi um, it's easier. I think it's really for beginners, like this tree. Yeah, anyone can do this, even a 5 years old kid. So that's it. Kunwari, may effect siyang may fall na, may nalaglag na mga leaves. So, just like that. Oh, so it's not finished yet. I'm actually adding more colors into it. Okay, so that's it. As a painter, you should know how to adjust your art. Okay, but don't worry, it's your masterpiece. So, okay, so this time I'm adding more details. You can actually sing while painting, or painting at the same time, babysitting. It's okay. The twigs and branches always add up to the beauty of a tree. It makes it more realistic. So, just like that. Okay, so just make more branches and twigs. Okay. You decide what to do. You decide where to put the branches. It's your tree, don't worry. Okay, that's it. More branches, just like that. Okay. Okay, more branches, and then check for some details, and then you decide when to finish your masterpiece, of course. So see, it's very easy for beginners. This is for beginners. Yeah. So I think it's done. Yeah, you can always come back and check your art. So that's the product. That's the dry paint. Okay, we're done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you may comment and share this video. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.